my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yummy!
Hi, this is Violet Down Bacho, and my name is Violet. Welcome to the baking video. Today, in this episode, we're going to be making banana bread! She says good. Now we're going to prepare our banana bread base with some butter by doing it with our hands so it does not stick. So now you want to coat it with some flour so it doesn't actually stick. You can dump out the excess. Scrappity-doo! Now it's time for the mashing time. Now it's time to form the eggs. Carefully. Guys, heads up. This may get a little bit messy. Done. Guys, you could also make brown sugar too. Just sugar and molasses. Brown sugar. Okay, now it's time to pour in the vanilla extract. Here's a tip. You could put it in little mountains if you're doing something so you don't lose track. Mixing time. Honey, get in there. Now it's time for the sniff test. If it smells good, that means it's ready. Baking soda time. This one was a half of it. Now some salt. Now some cinnamon. Mixing time. Okay, now let's combine the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And so how you don't overdo it, just wait until you don't see any more white. That means it's perfect. Now it's perfecto. Now to pour it in, then it will almost be time to eat it. Yum.
Yummy!
Now, if you have any extras, you could use it to make some banana bread cupcakes. Now I'm gonna put walnuts on top for my grandpa, because he really likes walnuts. Now we should put it in the oven. I'm gonna bake it at 350 degrees and wait for about 1.5 hours. Now we wait. Time's up, and it's time to pull out our banana bread. Heads up. It may actually smell great once you open this, okay? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Now, let's get this big loaf here. It's actually a little bit heavy. Now, if you're little and you don't know how to use a big sharp knife, then ask a grown-up to help you cut this loaf. But since I'm older, I could do this. And let's do second loaf. Third. Okay, I don't want to cut too much. Okay, now I'm going to show you a piece of loaf of bread. Here it is. And do you want to see the inside? It's a nice, fresh, cooked inside. It's soft and warm. Now, I'm going to taste it. This is so good. I wasn't expecting it to be this good with the sour cream. I was not expecting that. So, now that it's perfect, this is Violet Down Bacho. This is how to make banana bread cooking video. Bye!